Hold the bus! Hey, what are you doing? We're gonna go off on an adventure. Hey gang, it's Kiev. Yeah, we're gonna go off on an adventure. No telling what that crazy cameraman's doing. I have to watch him all the time, I'll tell you. Hey gang, we end up coming over to Central Avenue. Today is actually gonna be twice a year they have what they call Cruising Central. There's a Mustang I saw. Get a quick picture of it. Yeah, this is a Boss 302. I believe it's a 2011 or 2012. Anyways, we came over there having Cruising Central. It's going to be a car show, and the cars will be cruising down Central Avenue. So, and you can hear some in the background there. So we'll be heading over here and checking it out. See you in a bit. Saw this nice convertible parked along the street too. Thought I would get a picture of that. Convertible Mustang. That's cool. Somebody wants to race down the side street. Okay, and we found our old Malibu, or Chevy SS here. You see the SS on there. Zoom in there for you. I'm not sure till I get around here what year it exactly is. I used to have an old 72 Malibu though. That thing was not, oh, this is nice inside. That is really nice. Get around the front here. Oh, it looks like this is a 72 SS. Just like my Malibu was 72. You can tell because it's got the two headlights. I believe it was the 71s only had one headlight on them. That is nice. Okay, I hope I have this in. I can't tell anything. Not even sure if it's running. Anyways, it's an old Ford Fairlane. Come around here. Not quite sure what year it is. Guessers are a better idea. Is this yours? I guess he's just looking at it too. This is really nice. I don't know if you can see the windows are tinted. Get around here and get the front. There's the old Fairlane sign. I think I've got it in there. There's the front of it. Oh, he's got a high hump in the hood there. Then I turn around, we got an old Camaro SS sitting there too. This is nice. And we're not even to the car show yet. And we've got an old Chevy Bel Air here. I believe this is a 55 or a 56. A nice interior in there. Step around to the... Yeah, I believe that's a 56, I'm pretty sure. The 55 doesn't have quite the cowling going over the lights, or whatever you want to call that. Got a few cars pulling through. There's an old military truck. Oh, lost my balance here. I don't see anything else. Oh, here's an old vet coming down the road. OT. Couple of them. Old Impala.